All right, this is a 20-inch chain that we just ground on the Sylvie grinder. We're going to touch it up with the Sylvie Raker grinder. This is going to be a free giveaway chain. Comment, like, and subscribe. Normally wouldn't stand right in the way of the sparks, but I'm trying to get it so camera can get a view. There they are, all the way around. Thanks for watching.